All right. Adhara, I would like for you to explain what we did differently in this problem.
We did it a different way, but because there are boxes, and we did it our story way, and we did pictures over here, and we used numbers, and my guess was, and the problem was 7 plus 6, and my guess was 15. But then I used numbers,
right,
and I counted to 7 and 6, and then I know there's 7 over here, so I counted 6 more, and equaled 13, and I drawed the fireballs.
Now, can I ask you something? Did you get this problem out of a book? Where did you find the words for this story?
I have a book at home, and I have a storybook, and it's Snow White, and it says Once Upon a Time.
So you made up your own story to go with this math problem? Okay, could you read it to us?
Once upon a time there lived a dragon. He was mad. He sneezed 7 fireballs, then 6 more fireballs. He sneezed 13 altogether. He went in his cave and lived happily ever after.
You're a great story writer, and you love to write about fairy tales. Good job. Now, Jacob did a different one. Jacob, what did you do?
My guess was 13, and I counted up to 7, and then I did 6 more, and then I drew the picture.
Mm-hmm. And what's your story?
A dragon fired 7 fireballs, then he fired 6 more. Altogether there was 13.
Hey, I love that story. Everybody has a different one. That's fantastic. All right. Trevon, what's yours?
My guess was the same as Adara's, but I did my numbers, pictures, and words differently.
Okay, explain to us.
And my numbers, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I did 7 more counting gone.
Okay.
And then I did under 6 plus 7 equals 13.
Uh-huh.
I
I thought it was interesting, your story. Could you read your story to us?
6 Angry Birds ate 6 pigs, then 7 Angry Birds ate 7 pigs. That equals 13 pigs.
That was a very complicated problem, but you like Angry Birds, so I like the way you wrote about that. Good job. Now, let's go with our friend Malcolm. All right, Malcolm, and Malcolm likes pirates. So, Malcolm, take it away.
My name is Malcolm, but I also did, my guess was actually 0 and 5 and 6, and I counted on from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it went up to 12.
I like that counting on.
I minus to 7, and I got 6, so I dropped my swords, my toy swords, and I crossed out 7, and it equals 6.
Do we usually do stories like this, everybody?
No.
No, the story problem's usually the same, isn't it? And usually it's at the top. It's kind of topsy-turvy to our problem solving. I'm so impressed with the stories. Can you read your story quickly for us?
Pirate Malcolm had 12 toy swords. He gave 7 to his friend Alex. He had 5 left.
Perfect. I love that. Everyone is different. Now, our last friend, Hamza. Go ahead, Hamza.
My problem was 12 minus 7. I guessed it was 4. I counted up to 12 when I minused 7. And I found out the answer was 5, and I wrote it down. 12 minus 7 equals 5. I drew the picture of like a people. He had like $7.
So you're reading it for us, are you, hon? Okay, could you read it?
A people had $12. He gave $7 for gum and bread, also ice cream.
Oh, that
But
printing.
the ice cream was too expensive, so he used the rest of his money.
Excellent. All right. That's fantastic. Could you guys go over there and open the doors? You can go back to centers, because I just wanted